Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite girl Lizzie. You're most welcome, and if this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, make sure you click the subscription button. Also join the family. Guys, today I'm going to be pranking my housemate. Okay? So I don't want them to hear what I'm saying. That's why I'm really talking to you like this. So I'm going to be using this food coloring. Like, I'll be mixing it inside water and then I'm putting it in my mouth as if I'm coughing blood. Yeah, so I'm going to prank them and shout their name and they'll come inside and I want to see their reaction, guys. So stay tuned, okay?
Something about I don't know. Ambulance?
Please call my mom.
Oh, we should call ambulance?
Where's my phone?
This is your phone. This is your
How
phone.
about ambulance?
Ambulance.
Did I told you?
Yeah, that you were coughing.
She was coughing blood.
She's coughing mucus.
I
don't know. She has been feeling sick too.
Eh? Jesus. Where is your one? Do we need to call an ambulance?
Hello, mommy.
Yeah, mommy, Yetunde long sorrow. Hello, mommy, share with me.
Sorry.
Hello? Did you? Hello, ma. Hello, ma, share.
This is serious.
We going and then we say one toilet.
Tell me to so I should see it.
Agent, make video. Then, no one couple. She said, mommy, show the sorrow.
Ma?
She can pay ambulance, I don't even know.
Emire.
Yeah? No. I just like,
Did you take anything red? Oh wow.
No, don't coffee again. Amen.
So
Amen. Ami. Should I call ambulance?
I think you have to call police.
Wanna go? Would you soak it?
Ma? No money.
And I don't have. I do that. But not 90 or ma.
Guys, is it prank?
I know it's
God. He said, don't do that. Don't, please. Don't.
It's a prank! Guys, can you hear what my mom is saying?
No, see, it's not something like that. No, I was saying everything I read in medicine, who went to me, I didn't know what to do. I have to drag the
Wow. Wait, but that is an expensive dress.
Guys. Oh my God. Guys, see my mom. I used I used coloring. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I got them literally, like my housemate, my mom. Who else again? I got everybody and I'm so happy. My first prank ever went well. I didn't do the intro, okay? So hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Lizzie, and if you're a first timer, make sure you smash that subscription button. Share this video, give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share with your friends or family. So I just pranked my housemate, I pranked my mom of me coughing blood, guys. Coughing blood, see the blood. This is the blood. I caught them 100%. Anyways, if you have stayed to the end of this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and share it to friends and family. And I'll catch you guys in my next one.